Traders, life is changing really fast. What you just saw right now was nearly about 200,000 Rand on my dashboard in my broker. Life is changing really quick, and all of this, at the beginning stages, you don't really, you do this in hoping to succeed because you saw someone else succeed, right? The same way you see me right now succeed. And wherever you are right now, just know that all it starts with is a vision, a plan, a faith, and execution. Mainly, actually, application, executing your goals. Because in the end of the day, if you don't take action, you're never gonna succeed. You're gonna lie to yourself. You're gonna be delusional. You're gonna buy courses, but you're never gonna really succeed. Because you know why? You don't apply and you don't take action. So if you want to succeed in life, is able to take action on your dreams and visions, and then you're going to succeed. Let's move on. So with that being said, look at that, 195,000 Rand on my dashboard. But in this video, we're going to have some fire video. We have some fire information. In fact, I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to identify when to buy and sell. As the previous video in part 1, the indicator that tells me when to buy and sell. If you didn't watch it, it's click over here, that's the video. But this is part 2 on how to actually identify when to buy and sell with this powerful indicator that tells me when to buy and sell. With that being said, let's move further. And if you're new to this YouTube channel, all you gotta do, guys, is run up, like this video. If you want to do this as well, you want to elevate like this in your life, guys. Imagine you're seeing say about $250,000 in a couple of weeks in your dashboard. Imagine you're making 100,000 every single month. If you want to achieve this, if you want to elevate, if you want to know, you want to become a profitable trader, just comment down below. Let's elevate, let's lock in. Just comment, go crazy, guys. Just go crazy. Well, I'll ask you guys, every single one of you watching, to like this video, comment down below, and go crazy in the comments. Say, let's elevate, let's build this community together, because me and you makes this community. It's not a one-man show, but it's us that makes the community. And just to top it off, guys, check this out. In the TFE Capital Fund, which is the copy trading, where I trade and it links onto your account and trades on your account, right? So basically, every time I take a trade on my account, it literally copies the trades on your side. So I'm making money for you. If you don't know what, if you're still learning how to trade and you want to make money, guys, copy trading is for you, right? In my TFE Capital Fund, I made 160% ROI last month. That is insane trades. Now, what I'm trying to say is that if you don't know what is copy trading, look here. I teach Forex for free, and my mentorship is completely free. If you want to join those good things, right, it's in the description down below. Join the free group where I host every single day live webinars for free. I I answer questions. I show you guys how to analyze the market. I show you guys what's gonna buy or sell for the day, all the good stuff. But if you want to make money while you learn how to trade, or you just want to be an investor, and you want me to basically copy my trades onto your account, or you can say manage your funds in a way where you copy my trades, right? All you're going to do is, message me either via the link down below in the description. That being said, let's move on to the lesson on how to actually buy and sell on the Forex market. Let's go. Okay, let's cook it up. So, first of all, let's go over what is this RSI once again. Guys, understand that once it's in my red zone over here on top, right? Like you see, the RSI comes all back up in the red zone. I will start thinking about potential sells. The moment market comes down into the green zone right here, which is the buy zone, I call it the buy AOI. And on top is the sell AOI. So what is AOI? Area of interest. Now, with that being said, guys, once it pops into here, it brings my alert like, hey, it's in the sell zone. Hey, it's in the buy zone. Once it's in this one of the zones, I'm going to look at the chart and say, okay, is the chart telling me it's ready for buy or sell? Now, that whole scenario was actually taught in the previous video, what I've mentioned, right? We'll check it out. Now, I'm going to show you guys the next level of this indicator when in advance it's telling me, hey, market wants to actually reverse for buy or reverse for sell. Now let's check this out. What am I talking about? It's called simple. That's what it's called. Divergence. So divergence, guys. Divergence. Do I know how to spell this? Divergence. Ooh, is that right? Divergency, right? Divergence. Or you can say divergence. No. Divergence. I need to make sure it's a divergency. Divergent. Yeah, divergent. I don't know, one of the two. It makes sense, right? Divergent or divergency. One of the two. It's either divergent or divergency. One of the two, right? Now, with that being said, that's what it is called trades. So basically, it's where the chart is going up and then the other side is going down. It's not going in correspondence, right? As you can see, usually when the market's going down, right here, RSI is going down. When the market's going up, RSI is going up. Now imagine the chart is going up, but the RSI is going down. It's divergence, right? And that is super, super powerful, guys. And with that being said, let's move further into how to spot this divergence for buying and selling. Don't forget to like this video, guys, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's elevate. Now continue, guys. Let's continue. Now, let's look for divergence. What does it look like? Now, what I'm going to show you right now is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. Can we just look at this? The chart is going all the way up, right? The chart is going all the way up. Boom, 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 boom. RSI is going all the way up. So it's corresponding. But as you can see, the moment, right, there's support at the bottom right here. However, at the bottom where this support is, market's not there. You can see that market's not there at all. Look at it. It's supposed to be there, but on the chart, it's there. So already that's telling me there's a divergence, right? The market's at the equal level on the chart, but on the other side, it's not. So there's already divergence, and ahead of time, it's telling me that, okay, it's not going any lower. If it's going higher than this, it's probably going to start buying. So here at this point, that's where potential buys and start kicking in, because you can see on the RSI, it's telling you ahead of time, it's going to buy. And that's a divergence. So let's look for another example, guys. Let's look for another example. If you guys are learning something new right now, all you got to do in the comment down to say, let's elevate. I'm elevating. Go crazy, guys. Like this video. Don't be selfish. Enjoy the free group. And traders, here's another example. Check this out, right? On the RSI, we can see that the market's going higher and higher over here. However, watch this out. It is going high and high and higher right here. But watch what happens, right? Here's support at the bottom over here, right? This is support here at the bottom right here. So we should see that if the market comes to support, it should line up with each other. However, what happens is, look at this. The RSI is failing to go all the way down to there. And this one tapped into the support, the exact same equal area, which is supposed to be the exact same area here. Now, ahead of time, the RSI is saying it's going to buy. Now, watch on the chart, it starts buying higher. You understand what I mean? That is exactly what I'm talking about as a divergence. Now, let's go through another divergence for you guys. One more example, guys, and if you're enjoying this, all you got to do is like this video, guys. Let me do another example for you guys, maybe on gold for you guys, right? A gold example. Check this out. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful examples. Now, on the RSI, right? On the RSI, if you look beautifully, that gold has a divergence right now. It's going from here up. But on the chart, on the RSI, it's equal. So if you look beautifully, that this is actually a divergence right now. So it's telling you ahead of time that, okay, because this market's going up here, and this is now equal here, it says that, okay, this is going to continue buying. So gold right now will potentially continue buying higher. Understand? And that is a divergence. Now let's do another example for you guys, right? Check this out. Check this out. Here's another example, a beautiful one. In fact, watch this out. Okay, look at this section right here. This one here and this one here, right? They're like going lower and lower. However, watch the exact same area here is equal to here. You understand? So the chart at that time, if I have to go backward, you're going to see now. Just stick with me. Stick with me. Listen up. This is powerful stuff, right? We see the market's going down, down, down. However, watch here. RSI, right? Well, I skipped that too much. RSI goes, just hold up. There we go. RSI is in there. But RSI is not on top right here. The chart is not on top there. So clearly, is a divergence, because why? You can see that here's that level, which is that level right here, but we are not there on the chart right now. But on the RSI, we are there right now. And so it says that the RSI is already at resistance and it's failing to go above that level. It's clearly it wants to potentially sell. And that's what happens in the chart. You see that the market will then eventually what happens, the market will sell lower. You understand? And that is basically a divergence, guys. That is a beautiful divergence. There's another example for you guys. Come and show you guys another example. A divergence over and over. There's another divergence for you guys. Last one again. It's the last one, guys. If you guys want part 3 of this, if you want me to actually do another one of this, just comment down below. I'll elevate. Let's elevate. Do part 3 of this now. Do part 3. I'll go crazy for you guys. Once again. And don't forget, guys, I have the copy trading, which is the only thing I provide. Everything else I teach for free. But if you want me to actually make you money, if you want me to copy my trades on your account and you do nothing, you make profits on your own. You make profits by me simply trading your account. All you do is click the link in my description, sign up my broker, message me down below in the description. And the minimum is $100. Of course, the more money you have funded in your account, the more money you're going to be making, guys. It's that simple. Here's another example, guys, okay? Check this out. Beautiful example. Oh, powerful stuff, guys. Just focus. Here we have a level, right? Can you see this level right here? And we're there equally, right? Now watch happens. Market drops lower. But here we equal. That exact same level here is supposed to be equal there. But ahead of time, the market's selling down. But here on the other side, we equal. So if we equal and it's going to go lower, and on the chart is going lower, so this order is telling us ahead of time it's going to start going higher. You know what I'm saying? So you see what happens is the market on the chart, let's check here on the chart, look here on the chart what happened. The market's going down, right? But on the chart, on the RSI, it's equal. You get what I'm saying? So it's telling you ahead of time, watch, this thing's in a buying. You know what I mean? This thing's in a buy. And eventually the market buys. The traders, once again, guys, if you guys enjoy this type of videos, if you enjoy this and it's helping you guys, if you learn something new, this is how I know when to buy and sell in the market. All you gotta do is subscribe to this video, like this video, comment down below, and join the free group. It's in my description, where we have a whole community, a full free Forex course. I host webinars every single morning, every single day in there out, completely free, mentor people, completely free. If you want me to help you make money, consistently, passively, and you do nothing, join the copy trade. There's a description, there's a link in the description. The minimum is $100, guys. And of course, the more money you have in your account, the more money I'll be making you. That being said, guys, your mentor, Shikil Samai, about the sign up. Check you guys in the next one. Sign up.